Boom. Look at that clean stripe.
Wow. That is pretty impressive.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video where we're going to review a product for you. Today, we're going to go into the sea.
We're going to get wet today.
We're getting wet today.
Yep.
We have... If I can pick it up.
Another big box.
Another giant Amazon. No. So we have the Solar Breeze NX2 pool cleaning robot.
This is an advanced piece of technology, baby.
So let's get her out.
Let's dump her over.
Don't need that.
Get her out of here.
Easy, gentle.
Okay.
Ugh. Wow, this is much bigger than I was anticipating.
All right, so this super advanced pool cleaning product, it skims the top.
Skims the top.
So it just works off solar panels. So completely self-powered, and then it skims like bugs, leaves.
Yeah, you know, on the top of your pool, get that nice nasty film. Bugs, dead bugs.
Yeah, so it's got like
the gardener comes, blows all of his stuff in your pool. Real annoying.
It's got some kind of filter in it also that filters. I think you're supposed to change it like once a day or once every few days. It's supposed to be a smart one. It was Amazon's choice.
Amazon's choice. They love it.
It's one of the best ones on Amazon. So
here's our solar panels right here.
So let me get up here. Let's see. Okay. Remove tape, it says. All right, so it's got an on and an off switch, and I think that's it. I think it's all self. Whoa. Okay, we'll turn that off.
Yeah, we'll caught my finger there.
We'll have to wait for that.
So, as you can see, we've got the solar panels here. And then we'll flip her around.
So this is the...
you know, it's large, but it's light.
Yeah. So this is the filter right here. Tip it over a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
And then, I don't know. Oh, right here. So you just pull this out. And then you'll be able to
dump it all out, clean it.
Get all your leaves out.
And these obviously right here, these little wheels do the scooping. So basically, you just put this in the pool. Let me get a close-up shot here. You're gonna put this baby in the pool. It gets charged up from the sun. You flick the on switch.
It just goes.
And she just rolls.
I looked up. It does. It says it's supposed to cut your automatic pool cleaning pump time in 2/3.
2/3?
Yeah, and it's supposed to like catch all the stuff in your pool like before it sinks. Before it sinks down to the bottom, so that way it doesn't like get stuck on the bottom. So this is like a preventative, so it gets it before it becomes a problem.
And this is great because I can cut my, my usage of my pump. Saving money.
You save a ton of money. If you can really turn your pump off for 2/3 of the time, you'll be saving a ton of money.
You're saving 2/3 of the money.
2/3. And like pool pumps, I think use a lot of energy.
They do.
Yeah.
I have one.
Yeah.
I know.
Look at your energy bill. So I think we
try it out.
We just gotta go throw this in the pool.
We just gotta chuck it in the ocean.
Let's go. Let's go see if this thing. See if this thing can clean Andrew's pool.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're out here at Andrew's pool. As you can see here, we have some nice little leaves here that have happened to fall in the pool.
How'd that happen?
So we're gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy on.
Hit it on.
Okay, so it's on. Now I don't know which way it goes, but we're just gonna put it in the pool and see if it'll pick up these leaves.
It's going.
Wow, that thing's moving pretty good.
It's getting speed. Boom. Look at that clean stripe.
Wow. That is pretty impressive. Let's bring it back around bring it around for this little bit here. That actually worked really well. Alright, let's see. See if it gets all that. It's automatically
it automatically switches directions. So it must know.
So this thing, I guess it has like some kind of smart technology where it just automatically switches directions every so often. So that's pretty cool. So it'll never like get stuck up against a wall or anything. Look at it go. It's cleaning the pool. And it's all solar paneled. You'll never have to charge it up or anything. It just uses the sun.
The Solar Breeze NX2 just swept the pool, cleaned it up, and now we're gonna clean out the filter. Oh yeah, look at that. Just come over here. Do a little oh yeah, good as new. perfect.
All right, so this thing, pretty much, as you could already see, it's freaking amazing. It like picked up those leaves, no problems.
It's perfect.
And it hit a wall, and it just backed right up, no problems.
Yeah, one thing we didn't know going into it is I just thought it would roll off the wall with these wheels. When it actually goes head on with the wall, it'll stop itself and then just change direction.
Yeah.
So we kept trying to grab it to control it, and it kept thinking we were hitting a wall, and then we just changed direction. Thing's a genius.
Yeah, so super smart, works well, solar paneled. Didn't have to charge it at all. Just out of the box,
going,
just put it in and go.
I'm sure if we like left it in the pool for like a long time, it probably might go a little bit faster, maybe.
Maybe.
But we just threw it in there and it started going. So
overall, this thing is great.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So
I recommend.
10
out of 10.
10 out of 10. Highly recommend. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming. Check out our other reviews on our other products.
More to come.
More to come. We will see ya in the next one.
We'll see you